Well, a little update. As you can see, I stripped it all. The plan is to like remount the ECU because it was loose spare. The Clifford alarm, mount that somewhere because they were just rattling loose. When I went to move the ECU, a lot of water came out of it, and if you look in here, it is not looking so good. So the carpet is dry, it's quite dry here, and the here is quite moist. See that coming down? It's coming in from somewhere, and I traced it. Make it undo with you. I traced it, so I take out the heater motor, and if I touch this far up here, it's soaking wet, so it's coming through the heater box and just dripping down. You know, you see it reflects on the hand, it's soaking on there. So fix that before I put it back together. Oh. Do I take out the heater box? Is it where it meets into the car? Nice. Nice. This bar does not come out. As you can see, there's no screws. This is fixed. You can see the spot welds on it. This is fixed in place. So if it was to take out this heater box, is it doable? I separated the 12 there. 12. Let it push away from here, I wonder. Let's give it a go. Right, I've just taken up the heater box. As you can see, the seal has obviously had better days. As you can see, the wet. Yeah, it's still wet now. I'll show you in the car. This is clearly going to be a common problem, these 6s, maybe the 5s. This is where it fixes itself up against, and you can see it's just rusted. The rust isn't really a problem here. I can sand that all down. I can redo that, but it's obviously not meeting a nice surface, and it's causing it to leak straight through. This is with the stand. This is with the ECU isn't meant to go. As you can see, it's just going to drip straight onto it. So I need to get this fixed. These are the connectors on the ECU, gone green. So I guess I got my work cut out here, I think. That hole there is where the aircon pipes go through. This car hasn't got aircon. It was taken off by the previous owner. It might be worth giving it a nice good old clean in there, look. That's what happens in 20 years later. Interesting. Oh.